Hey, this is Mean Gene Okerlund with DJ Delz.
DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts! What's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. I got a package from Box Lunch, and this has 7 of the same Funko Pops inside. Some may ask why. Well, you probably know because of the title, but I've been trying to hunt down this Audrey 2 chase for the longest. Little Shop of Horrors, huge fan of. So what we're going to do is we're going to check out and see the odds. They say 1 out of 6 is a Funko Pop chase. Ordered 7 of them. They were on sale for I think $7.25. Hit that thumbs up button. By the way, right now, please, if you're watching, it helps the channel so much. Just do it real quickly for me. Please, bang, bang, bang. Hit that thumbs up, please. And let's see what the odds are. We'll open them up one by one. I'm going to try not to look at the box as I look at the box. It's completely covered. Just trying to think the best way to do this. Oh, they're all in little boxes. Okay, beautiful. As you can see, they're all in little boxes. This will be great. Start off with box number 1. Oh, we did it! Right off the bat! Yes! See, this was well worth it. We got the chase. Awesome, man. That is so great. We were able to get what I wanted, the chase. And does it even have blood splatter on the lips? Because I see no blood splatter on the lips. And I thought that was all that was different about it, was the actual blood splatter. We will do a comparison video, definitely. But we scored 1. Let's try box number 2. Common. And this is an awesome Funko Pop, by the way, like one of my faves of the year. I did do a top 10 of 2018. Definitely check out that video. I'll put a link in the description box below. I love this Funko Pop, all of the ones that released from Little Shop of Horrors. Now we're at box number 3. What's it going to be? A common. I'm not gonna lie, in the back of my mind, I just don't understand what's up with that chase. Because I didn't see any blood splatter. I'm pretty sure that was the only difference, was the blood splatter. Maybe something different. We will definitely have to do a comparison video after. Well, not a comparison video, but a comparison after opening all these. Should have showed you guys first, but it's a common. So this is number 5. I would love to get 2 chases. Let's see. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, I see. So there's blood on the side of his mouth. See? See on the side of his mouth, there's blood there. That's sick. So we got 2 chases. And we still got 2 more. Exciting. Number 6. Common. Awesome pop though. You know what? I'm going to do a giveaway on one of these pops. Just leave a comment in the box. Leave whatever you'd like to leave. I love Funko. Hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed. Also subscribe to my Twitter at DJDELZ. And you will be entered. I'll announce the winner probably next week. And make sure you follow the Twitter too, because I'm going to be checking it out. I'm going to put it through the randomizer and they check all that stuff. I don't know how the hell they do it, but regardless, you know what? You want to follow my Twitter at DJ Delz, because I always post whenever there's sales going on. And like I said, I was able to get these for like $7.25. Now the last one right here. Let's see if we get this chase. Oh, shit. I know I was supposed to show y'all first, but damn. Yo, we did freaking awesome. 3 for 7. 347. That is amazing. 347 as far as with the chase. A lot of people say, oh, it's just blood splatter. It ain't that crazy. I mean, they could have done a little more. Maybe put like legs hanging out of his mouth. I think that would have been awesome with Audrey too. But it actually has like the drip right there. So it's not just like some splatter that they hit you with around the lips. This one, you could see more splatter on the upper of the lips. We'll take them out of the box and do like a little comparison with the common and the chase, definitely. Let's rock. Alright, so here we go with a comparison now. As you can see, you got all the blood splatter right there and the blood drip. Plus, you see the gums. And inside the mouth is all red. So that's a cool touch. It's more than just a little blood splatter on the lips. The actual inside is purple right there. Versus on the chase, it's not. It's all red, like just finished a meal. Seymour just fed him. So it is kind of cool. I wish it had a little bit of a different pose. Maybe the leaves were different or something like that. Just something a little different, but it's kind of cool that the whole bottom of his mouth is all red. Let me know if you see anything different too. I don't see anything different. They're awesome pops though. I will link it in the description box below. That sale is no longer going on anymore, but if you're looking for it, I'll put a link, guaranteed mint condition. Yeah, it's an awesome pop. I'm glad that I got the chase. Really wanted this. I noticed also on the lip, the paint is not that great. There's like a little green right there. I don't know if you see it. Now, one bummer is the fact that the first chase, remember I was like, wait a minute. I was like kind of thrown off because I didn't see any blood splatter. Just to show you real quickly, you see how it really looks like there's nothing. Nothing at all. Check this out. I took this one out of the box. They damn what packed a common in a chase box. Funko. Really? So they did us dirty on that one. So it's really just, we'll say 2.5 chases because the box has the chase sticker. But on one of the boxes, man, it got beaten up really bad. One of the chase boxes. So I'm going to do a box swap with the one that's beat up. Definitely. See, it literally has tears right there. So I will be doing a box swap. And it's dented over there. Let me know what you think of these Funko Pops, definitely. And I also got this in the mail yesterday. I was planning on reviewing today. Let me know if you guys want that review ASAP, and I got you. This is an awesome Funko Pop for you Star Wars fans out there. And I did a Funko Pop hunting vlog where I scored a chase. I think I uploaded that the day before last. I did a tribute to Mean Gene Okerlund. So definitely watch yesterday's video if you're a wrestling fan. You'll really appreciate the video. And I share some pretty awesome stories. And you gotta watch if you're a wrestling fan. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave your comments in the box. Once again, I will be doing a giveaway on the common. So, I will announce a winner sometime next week. Just watch all my videos. Subscribe to enter the giveaway. Don't forget the Twitter, at DJ Delz, at DJDELZ. I also have a Patreon where we do giveaways every month over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. It's a weekly podcast exclusively over there. So definitely head over there. You can listen to some of the episodes for free, and if you love what you hear, you can become a member and unlock all of the episodes. We have tons of episodes. They never get old because it's Q&A every week. Be a part of the extended fam and join today. I'm also rocking my Funko Pop inspired t-shirt. That will be linked in the description box below, long sleeve and short sleeve, and those ship worldwide. They do ship worldwide. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. And if you didn't see my top 10 of 2018, make sure to watch that video too. Worked super hard on the video, and it's highly entertaining. So happy he's back. Delete.
DJ Delz.
DJ Delz.
And your Benjamin. Prepare the battlefield. That's right. Delete. 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 Delete.
DJ Delz.
Senor Benjamin, where's Vanguard 1?
He's up there watching movies. He is always surveilling.
Oh, surveillance?
Yeah.
For security, right? Security purposes? Thank God. Thank God for him. I prayed for him when he was hurt. I prayed every night.
He was drinking too much last night.
I know. Oh, yeah? What were you drinking? Tequila?
I think he spiked his lemonade. Oh, that's DJ Delz. Absolutely wonderful.
Senor Benjamin.
Ready to a battlefield massacre.